Let's take a live look outside right now at the Washington Monument. You can see the camera blown a little bit. Damon Matson, meteorologist Damon Matson, will wind be a factor this afternoon?
It's going to be, Mark, for sure. And today we may not notice it as much, only because of the fact that the wind is actually helping us warm up even more than we had out there on Tuesday. And we're already seeing the results of that. But yeah, we just can't catch a break from those breezy winds. Here we go. Temperature-wise, it's already 72 in Waldorf, 71 over toward Fredericksburg there, and we're not far off in the district, across the rest of northern Virginia, and even off to the north, Frederick, Martinsburg climbing up into the mid-60s. So we're on a great pace, and it looks like pretty much the entire DMV, outside of a few locations, will make it into the 70s. But here are those breezy winds. They're continuing to pick up with gusts around 15 to 20 miles an hour, pretty common, but that wind direction makes a difference. The winds today coming out of the south-southeast, and we'll continue to see this southerly wind direction out ahead of the next storm system and front that is set to arrive here on Thursday. Now, until that point, we won't notice anything major, but cloud cover will be a lot more common. It was totally sunny, not a cloud in the sky on Tuesday, but that is not the case today. We actually have a good amount of cloud cover right now across I-81 from Woodstock to Hagerstown, and some of these clouds are leaking east toward the D.C. metro, so we'll also be seeing that cloud cover to the east through the rest of the day. But regardless of how much cloud cover rolls in, look at these amazing temperatures outside of right along the shoreline of the Chesapeake Bay. That's the only exception. We're all going to make it to the middle and upper 70s, and perhaps a couple of the warmer valleys out across West Virginia could flirt with 80 today. So it is going to feel fantastic. It'll be nice and warm. We will have those clouds rolling close by, but we don't see any impact from this storm system until the cold front starts to arrive tomorrow. Now, the catch with this storm is that this front, unlike what we saw on Sunday, it's actually going to be losing a lot of steam when it finally does get here on Thursday, which means the morning will be dry, and then rain showers take their time developing as we get into the afternoon. But there we see it. That rain finally gets going through the middle of the afternoon tomorrow, off into the evening time. Mostly east of I-81 is where we are going to see the bulk of the rainfall. So it is going to be quite soggy near the district across Virginia, north central Maryland, but some of our mountain counties to the west where we still need some rain. Everybody's on the drier side of things of late. We'll only have a couple of light scattered rain showers tomorrow evening before this storm starts to pull away then Thursday night into Friday morning, and we're back to drying things out again for the end of the week. And all the while too, that wind is going to be a factor. It will be breezy as that rain rolls in Thursday. Actually could even turn windy with gusts around 40 miles an hour Thursday night, and those breezy winds will usher in some chillier air on Friday as they turn out of the northwest. But we only drop into the 50s briefly. By Saturday, we're back to the 60s with a few more showers in the mix late on Saturday.